Not kill. Where it all started, eh?
Every story has a starting point. This is the first place I ever drove a racing car. Coming back here is always like coming home.
Children sort of talk about, oh, I want to be a fireman or astronaut or whatever. I always wanted to be a racing driver. When I was 2.5, my dad bought me a go-kart. That would have set the stage.
My first memories are of being around racing cars. You know, my dad stopped racing the year I was born, but still would sit in his old car making racing car noises.
You did that too?
Yeah. Porsche has been such a big part of my life from this car onwards, from my professional career taking off with Porsche Cars Great Britain. Well, it started your obsession with red Porsches. So.
It did.
What's amazing though, to drive here this morning in a car this old, and even a 356 and that DNA, you still feel it in these cars today.
Just had a wee drive, I think. What a way to spend the day, playing around on a racetrack in Scotland with my wee brother in these amazing Porsche 718. It's mega. These cars are identical specs. They feel very, very similar. That engine is a work of art.
I gotta say, being here with my brother in the car that's the brother of this car, it's something special to look across and to see him. I'm loving being in this thing.
Most ways were very similar, but in the slight details were definitely different.
You got somebody that can finish your sentences. Somebody that you've grown up with, that you share that connection with, and then your best friends. Yeah, it's a special thing.